On today's Cup of Crazy, I hope everybody's doing wonderful and having a great day, or I'm just about to exercise here. But I had a really good day. I went out with my friend Kaka, and that was awesome. She brought her dog. And we seen some dirt bike racer guys, two of them. And I told her, oh, I bet you he could like fuck all night times 100. And you know what, guys, this is what's become of me. 5 years without it. This is what become of me. I'm a perv, but not a hussy. I'm a perv, but not a hussy. And I'll never be a hussy. But anyways, I was telling her about how I talked to someone else about how she finally went out on a date. And she met this guy for coffee. And they have a really good mental connection, but she's not interested in him at all. And I was like, well, then that's okay. You can just be friends, right? It's okay to be honest about it. Why it's like a fridge, right? Do you want a shit looking fridge with food in it, or do you want a nice looking fridge without food in it? I kind of think that the obvious choice would be a nice looking fridge with good food to offer. That's the same as people. You know, you want to have that, but you also want to provide that for someone else. Be the best you can be. And it sounds like an army commercial. Be all that you can be. Sorry guys, I'm not telling you to join the army. However, I did see a really cool mantra today, but I kind of thought it was I'd interpret it as a bit more greedy, so I changed it a little, but it goes like this. I'm going to try it out. I am the energy I want. I attract what I am. So, it's pretty profound shit. The original one is, I am what I want, and I attract what I am. Either way, but I don't know, I'd rather go for the energy thing. Keep it good, right? Keep it good. Well, anyways, I'm about to exercise here. We'll talk to you guys later.